Hello everyone, this is Mahir Preja and you are watching BCN Top News. Corona pandemic has killed 24 more people in the country. The death toll has risen to 5,623. In addition, 1,545 new cases of coronavirus has been reported throughout the country in last 24 hours. A total of 3,93,139 people were identified throughout the country. Education Minister Dipu Moni has said that there will be no annual examination this year, Wednesday, October 21 at 12 noon. Dipu Moni made the official decision at a virtual press conference. The Education Minister said that it is not the annual examination of the secondary school but only the assessment of the students to understand their mistakes. For this, NCTB has prepared a syllabus that can be completed in 30 working days. Education Minister Dipu Moni has said that it will not be possible to open the educational institutions in November due to the epidemic of coronavirus. There are even doubt about whether the educational institution will open this year. She made the remarks at a press conference on Wednesday, October 21st, to explain how secondary level students will be assessed this time. A low pressure has formed in the central Bay of Bengal. It may become more concentrated. As a result, coastal areas may experience wind and rainfall. For this, the local port are asked to display the local warning signal number 3. I repeat, the signal number 3, and the river port are asked to display the warning signal number 1. I repeat, the signal number 1. BNP Secretary General Mirza Fakhrul Islam Alamgir said inequality between rich and poor is increasing day by day due to government's corruption. Mega corruption is going on in the mega projects of the government. People in the ruling party are spending 2 to 3 lakh to become the president secretary at a ward level. From this, it is understood how interesting and alluring this term is because they are taking the money of the distressed people themselves. In Ramu of Coxbazar district, hills are being cut down all the time. The incident took place in Ukhiarghura area of Khawarkop Union at 2 a.m. on Tuesday. This has been confirmed by Mr. Pronoy Chakma, the UNO of Ramu. Body of a man was recovered from Bilshimla Bondghat area of Rajshahi. The body was recovered on Wednesday morning. Meanwhile, Rajshahi police recovered a suicide note from the victim's pocket. This has been confirmed by the OC of Rajpara police station, Mr. Shahadat Hossain Khan. Everyone will surely remember the class routine in our student life, other than the examination routine. But other than that, Nasiruddin, a Qaumi Madrasa teacher in Chattogram district, introduced a different kind of terrible routine. This man-like mischievous teacher has made it a routine for a child to appear at night as his bedtime companion. The United States government has filed a lawsuit against internet giant Google for violating competitive marketing rules. The US Department of Justice is said to file an antitrust lawsuit against Google, a source close to the plot said. News agency Reuters said the country plans to file a lawsuit on Tuesday claiming that Google has violated the law by taking advantage of its position at the market to keep competitors at bay. Lionel Messi shines in their first match in the UEFA Champions League. The captain spotted the goal himself with his teammates. At the same time, Ansu Fati, Philippe Coutinho has also spread the light. Barcelona picked up a great victory against Ferro Welton on the day the star shone. Barcelona beat Ferencváros at 5-1 at the Nou Camp on the Tuesday night. 5 goals came from 5 different players. Lionel Messi, Ansu Fati, Philippe Coutinho, Pedri and Ousmane Dembele have all been spotted. Karatin made the only mistake for the visitors. You were listening BCN Top News. For more details, please visit our website www.bcnchannel.net. Stay tuned. Thank you.